Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate a tote bag for Easter with this super adorable design. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the supplies that I use for today's project. I already have my pre-printed out sublimation design. This is sublimation. I have it printed on a 11 by 17 sheet of paper. So I already have this ready to go. Isn't this super, super cute? I love this design. It's adorable. I also think it would be really cute on a t-shirt. So there's that. I'm going to be using the Cricut Easy Press mat today. You can use your pressing pillows, whatever you have. And then I have a tote bag. So if it's polyester, you can definitely sublimate on it. So any sort of tote bag that you find that is polyester will work. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm actually going to be using my heat press today. I'm going to go ahead and load this right inside. Like I said, if you have pressing pillows, go ahead and utilize those. What I like to do with the tote bags is I just tuck my corners in. That's just going to help smooth everything out. I'm going to make sure there's nothing in my way, so whenever I go to press this, there's no seams, nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and get that ready to go. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and take it over to the heat press and pre-press it. All right, so I have already adjusted my heat press so it's going to close. So we're just going to go ahead and pre-press this for a few seconds. That's going to take out any wrinkles as well as any moisture. All right, I'm going to pop this back open. I'm going to go ahead and take my lint roller and remove any lint. All right. Now we're ready for our design. So what I'm going to do is just kind of line this up and get it exactly where I want it. All right, so I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to apply some heat tape. And then I'm going to cover it with some parchment paper. All right, so we're going to go ahead and press this for 60 seconds. All right, we're going to go ahead and remove our parchment paper. We're going to go ahead and remove our paper. And there you have it. How cute. So let's go ahead and take it back to the table. How cute is this? This is going to be cute for a teacher to carry around. Maybe you're a nurse, or maybe go into the gym and you want to carry some stuff in the bag. Or maybe even you want to make these for your kids for Easter. I think it would be super cute to do this on the front and then take some glitter HTV or regular HTV, maybe even some flock, and put the kid's name right here on the back. How cute would that be? So I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I hope you guys are going to make one. Let me know down below if you guys will be making this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.